I'm Zafar Khan, CEO of the CGNGPL. As we have given you a brief about the select plan and company details, what I would like to say that this is one of the good opportunity for country, city like Goa. People may be able to use the opportunities which we are going to have our business plan in future in terms of providing CGD network, providing the domestic consumption, domestic connection, providing to the industrial consumers. And I see here that Goa is a very dynamic and very potential industrial consumers are over. And this is going to be a good opportunity for all those industries, the small industries, to convert them into a gas so that they may be able to benefit it in terms of getting better economics in their land. Not only that, this will also help to get our government's policy to convert to use the gas from energy mix basket from 6.5% to 15%. So our government focus is always to get this all industries converted into gas base, and this will be possible when people get sensitized about the how we are going to be benefited by using the natural gas. So this is the one good opportunity for city like Goa, and these all opportunities can be utilized provided if the people come forward for taking their domestic connection, and industries who are using other alternate fuel like HSFO or furnace oil, they may go and come back and evaluate their consumption, and then they may be able to understand that how it is going to be a beneficial in terms of their economics. If these things are happening, I'm sure Goa is going to be one of the biggest in city of this area where we are going to use our gas consumption. Not only that gas consumption, comfort of life of people in terms of domestic use of PNG, in domestic use at home, consumption in their CNG cars, and this is going to be a beneficial for all. And for that, this GNGPL is committed to make all the infrastructure available in terms of laying pipeline, in terms of putting CNG stations. And we are, I told you, this is a very small company, but we are very confident that we are backing up by two big companies. So from all front of view, we have a very technical expert, we have a good marketing team, we have a good project team, and we are good everything in all respect. So this put together will be a benefit for all this city Goa people, that we may get a good advantage